So we're finally at Railay Beach. We took a boat just like that, a longtail boat, which was really nice, from Railay Beach. It was about 20 minutes from there, and it's really beautiful here. You have all the cliffs over here, as you can see. There's a private house as well, which looks really, really nice. And now I think we're going to go walk around the jungle a little bit, and we're going to go to another beach. No, maybe later, thank you. Yeah?
You remember me, now you come back. I will tell you on the beach, I see you home.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 18, huh?
Okay.
Misu, number 18.
Number 18.
Yeah,
No
nice to
problem.
meet you.
People are coming to our first massages. Let's go have a walk in the jungle. They said there's lots of mosquitoes, so we don't have bug spray or anything. We've got that. But I think anyway, look at the cliffs, man. It's beautiful.
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Cave, I think it is, it's called. And man, just look at these rocks here. It's like the floating islands and all this. This is kind of what it looks like, but this rock is extremely sharp, right? Okay, so we've managed to find some type of cave. It's called Thampranan Diamond Cave, basically. And look at this, whoa. So we're currently in the cave. We can hear loads of bats here as well, right? Just be careful, because it's a very scary place, this. Wow, those caves were beautiful. I mean, inside when you see all the stalactites, it was nice, hey? Mm-hmm. That was really, really good. I mean, we paid 100 baht, which was, you know, for some caves you'd be like, what the hell? But man, it was really worth it. We're really good inside. If you come to Railay Beach, make sure you come see the caves. What do you think, yeah?
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, really nice, really nice. Okay, so we may have gotten a little bit lost. So I popped into this hotel there to ask for directions, and they said to go to this cabana resort place and then take a right there. So I think that's where we're going now. But man, it's really beautiful. Like, it's green, everything's so green. It's like, man, it's green. Sorry, bummer you guys. We decided to turn back a little bit. The bush was just getting so thick there, and it's extremely hot. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. Man, sweating for days. So yeah, we're gonna turn back. We're gonna head over to the beach and just have a relaxing rest of our day, swim a little bit. Pineapple smoothie. Oh wow, that's delicious. Nice, so we've just spent a few hours just chilling, having a swim in the ocean. The wind is picking up now, but it's still really nice. I do like this beach a lot, don't you? It's a nice beach, I think it is. Have a look. I mean, the view is great, the water's warm, so if you do come to Aonang or to Krabi, make sure you come to Railay Beach, have a walk in the jungle, maybe go to the other beaches that side. You can see some of like the resort hotels, even come stay here, why not? And yeah, otherwise, thank you very much for watching. This has been our day in Railay Beach. Say thank you.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you next time, exactly. We've got Phi Phi Islands coming up. We did that yesterday, so I'll make a video with that not too long from now. And otherwise, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Ciao.